Now, just go through what you need to be doing over the next couple of weeks. So on your note readers sheet, you need to be practicing this note reading here. All right, so you're still struggling a little bit with the F, A, C and E. So in your 4 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, you have F, A, C, E, all right, which spells the face. So you have got to be able to count the letters going from the bottom up to the top, which is a bit unusual when you think about spelling a word. So F is the bottom space, A is the next one, C is the next one, and E is the top one. Okay, so in this first bar, you have got them in a different order, but you've still got F at the bottom, you've still got A, which is the second one, you've still got E, which is the fourth one, and you've still got C, which is the third one. All right, so you're still struggling a little bit to make that connection. Then we've got high G. That's just a way of remembering that that's a high G. You've got D, sits underneath the stave. You've got B, middle B next to middle C. They're the extras that you also need to know. But try and get that face. Try and think it through a little bit harder. See if you can get to grips with that. Then you're going to do rhythm number 2. So I'll do that for you. Okay, so it's 4 beats in a bar. So we start with a nice, steady, slow 4 beats. And the right hand starts with a 2-beat note. Here's the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Quavers here, so make sure they fit in quick enough. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'll do it once again. Here's the beat. Here's the right hand. 2-beat note here. Crotchet, crotchet. Quavers, crotchet, minim. Crotchet, crotchet. Quaver, 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 quaver. Crotchet, crotchet, minim. Okay. Then in your dozen day, you're doing I put 11 and 12. I thought we were doing jumping a rope. Hang on a minute. No, you did jumping a rope last time. So we are doing the last 2. Yes, so tether a ball is just notes moving up in 5s and then moving down in 5 notes. Each one ends on a staccato, and then there's a rest as well to count. So make sure you're counting. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, and the right hand. 2, 3, 4, and release. And do count your notes properly. So if you've got a 4-beat note, it must be 4 full counts. If you've got a 2-beat note, it must be 2 full counts. Don't just sort of cut them short. Fit as a fiddle is fairly straightforward until you get to the end, when you need to move the hands so that your little fingers, and look at mine, how bent they are, so they can do a little hole underneath like a hook. All right, move the hands out so that you end on a C each side. So all the way through. So do your counting. 1, 2, jump, 3, 4, and release. Okay, try not to end on 5s like that. You don't ever play on there. Okay, you play on the end of the finger. 2, 3, 4. Okay. Oh, I'll also do the D minor scale. So we have new D minor. Well, you said you had actually done it. So this is the one which is the bridge. Okay, bridge over that gap between those 2 black keys. So it's going over that gap there. All right. And the left hand will be the same.